Ngizoqeda ngosuku. Bese ngiza kuwe. Bese ngihlala ithonto kuwe. Bese ngiqeda lento vele bese ngiqalile.
Uyabona ke mfoka Ngwenya yini ngathi udle insangu namhlanje.
Wabala amagama akho Ndlovu.
Lalela ke. Ake ngikukhumbuze nje ukuthi engathi sohlokoloza inyoka emgodini. Ugajeni lo.
Chiefs is signing in striker. Antu ubani lo? Ubani lo? Okay guys, please remember to give the video a like. Remember, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. But when is Kaizer Chiefs signing a striker? Since bagcina ngo 5 years. Yeah, we've been waiting. Yeah, it's going to be a boring weekend without Kaizer Chiefs playing football. MTN 8 weekend. Siyazi MTN 8 obvious final Pirates ne-Sundowns as usual. Yeah, so bafethu mina ngicela nje esikhulumeni ngale ndaba ya Brandon Peterson. Brandon Peterson hayi khona ngathi mina samele nje ahlale nje ebenchini kancane or ukhathela understand. Kwenzakalani no Brandon Peterson is costing the team of late. Even that goal he considered against Mamelodi Sundowns, that could have been 3 points, all 3 points for Chiefs. Brandon Peterson, it costs the team. And the Chiefs, I just want to voice my frustration. I know I'm talking on behalf of a lot of Kaizer Chiefs fans. Man, Chiefs, man. Kanti bayenzani abantu football department. Nenzani kanti lapha office guys. Aniphumeni office niyosayina the coach striker. Please give the coach tools. You can't be sitting relaxed. We saw from last season with Kaizer Chiefs unenkinga lapha phambili, so you can't drag that into the current season. Please give Fernando de Cruz the right tools for him to do the job, and he needs a striker. He said he needs a striker, and you guys are not signing anyone. So yeah, the fans are getting frustrated and they are being creative on social media. Nalo ubani nalo adingitshele amakhosi bafethu. Okay, yeah, no, Ozab, Batubano, Orinho. Yeah, no, guys, it's fake news. It's fake news. But you put my left back, Chiefs is signing left back. Yeah, Zako, Izako, ile club ya uyalazi. Man ngamazi uyalazi lo mjita lo bekadlalela iPirates last season odlala lapha eIraq. Udlalela izakho. Manje bathi Chiefs is signing left back yakhona. Hayi bafethu, stop being creative on social media. Fake news. Guys, Kaizer Chiefs have definitely not signed a striker. We are still waiting. Never mind the title when you came into the video. Yeah, let's talk about Ulokuzana. Valibai, you heard Valibai gave advice to the new signing Faiz Abrahams, advising him that Yasin is the Chiefs and he should be wary of that, and he should work hard. I think maybe the working hard of it, I think maybe that could be good advice, but I don't think let's wait and see. I think Faiz Abrahams is going to be a star of it. I think let's just wait. The boy looks good. He looks looks like a menace, attacking menace. Let's give the boy a chance. Let's give him time to adapt. I hope sometimes I'm a player we Cape Town, they take a while Luguti but settle in mabafika ngapha Jozi, but yeah let's give the guy some time to settle. And yeah, I'm glad the players are, but it looks like they like the coach, Valibai Fernando de Cruz is a demanding coach. He says even if when you feel like you've given your best, he wants you to put that 1% extra. That's the positive about him. He is a demanding coach. He is always demanding more. So yeah, I'm glad the coach is bringing out the best out of the players, and I think he should keep it up. Maga push him, man. No Brandon Peterson, man. No Brandon Peterson. What's going on? Is he missing Sisu? Or choose my land with Sisu, man. Maybe they should bring Sisu back so that Fernando da Cruz. So that Brandon Peterson azoqala ukuvimba njengoBrandon Peterson last season. Uqalile ngokubozwa lo Brandon Peterson wakudala ngathi uyabuya manje. I think the coach should play Ronaldo Lina against Richards Bay in the next game. Alright guys, ubani lo man, aningitsheleni ubani lo, or Chiefs isayinile mara ayenza ama-announcements. What are they doing? Bayenzani bafethu? Or yini AI, who made this pick? Who's this? Ngiyambona lapha uSheka noKaizer Junior angazi bafethu. Wenzani? Ngicela ningiqhashe ke Kaizer Chiefs management ngiyosayinela ama-player mina because I can identify a good footballer, and there's a scout Terra Malio bafethu. Funa ukungitshela nje ukuthi i-scouting asikaka from last season. Yakho umuntu abambonile or abamscoutile. No man, no. Guys, yeah, let's wait for the Richards Bay game. I know Richards Bay they're never easy, not an easy team. I think sometimes they do give the Kaizer Chiefs a run for their money, and I think that's exactly what is going to happen in the next game. I'm looking forward to that game next week, Wednesday. Watch out for that game, Kaizer Chiefs versus Ilokuzana Richards Bay. It's at Moses Mapira. I'm very much sure Wuti KZN is a premier big game, but for two probably the best set of fans. Kaizer Chiefs, I think Kaizer Chiefs enjoy more support in Durban than in Joburg. What do you think about that assessment of mine, guys? Do you agree? Yeah, and the left back issue. Siyazi ukuthi Stella striker Kaizer Chiefs management, Stella attacking midfielder, Stella attacking midfielder, central midfielder. Siyazi inhlulekile ngolokhuzana ngo Faisal Salum, but yeah, get us an attacking midfielder. We need an attacking midfielder in the mold of Stanton Fredericks, Stiga. So yeah, we need somebody like that. Maybe Faiz Abraham is going to play that nicely. Let's wait. I can't wait to see Faiz in action. I can't. So yeah, Bafetu, I just wanted to voice out my frustration with Chiefs. I sign man. I go serious on signing the Cruz the Papambi. Yeah, but the transfer window is still open, and we will just have to be patient because I think it's Valon in 22. Management iyekele umayilula manje beyawenzana pha kuma Mamelodi Sundowns. Akora game after, I think it's 3 games in a row now that he scored. It's doing well. Bamiyekelile lapha kumele bamsign. Mara Kaizer Chiefs management. Come on. I'm very frustrated with you guys. You're dragging your feet in terms of signing a striker for Fernando da Cruz. Right, guys, let's call it a wrap. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Okay, let's move
Thabo
on.
Moloisane, almost a dream come true for him. Back in Johannesburg, back home.
Yes. I'm loving these stories. These are good news stories because I'm seeing my clients become family men. Yeah. You know, we were at his wedding last year with his beautiful wife and his son, and now he gets to drive home and see bedtime, you know. So that's a very story that's close to my heart. He's at Kaizer Chiefs, and they fought to have him there, and he wanted to be there, so he forsake all other deals to take.
Were all the deals local?
No, there was one international deal, but it didn't work for the family.
In which league? Okay, which country? Europe?
In a similar jurisdiction to where Mohamed Kota is.
Oh, okay.
But also, to be fair, it was not advancing in the way that we wanted it to advance. Yeah.
And Kaizer Chiefs, of course, a dream for any and most players. He's happy there?
Yeah, I think happiness is relative. Every new opportunity brings its own challenges, and I think he's alive to that. You know, he's alive to the fact that this is an established team. You know, it has a captain who has led the team for a while, and so he has to adapt to the Kaizer Chiefs style of play. But man, that guy is mature, and he's signed up for it.